Today, I'm going to share how I make my basic Graham Cracker Crust that is thick, easy, and buttery with just 3 ingredients. And here, I have already prepared and measured all my ingredients. I have melted the butter. You can use unsalted or salted butter. Ground graham crackers, which I just smashed with a rolling pin inside the plastic bag and put them in a medium bowl. Then I just add the sugar. And by the way, you can use white or brown granulated sugar, and it's perfectly fine. And stir this to combine. Then pour the melted butter over on top and stir until it resembles a coarse wet sand. Firmly press the mixture evenly over the bottom of the prepared pan lined with parchment. And I'm using the bottom of my measuring cup just to press the mixture. And you can now bake this for 10 to 11 minutes at 177 degrees Celsius until it smells good. After baking the crust, set aside and cool completely before adding any filling. And if you like this video and want to see more content about basics, then consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me too at abrams.mom. So eat, enjoy, and love. Thank you for watching.